In this video, we have to discuss about how to increase skillrack points to X fast and efficiently. We'd follow these steps. Definitely you will get 400 points per week. Okay? Let's move faster to the topic. Step 1. First do the daily challenge, and then do the daily test, because 1D need 20 points. Therefore, 20 points 7 days 140 points per week. And 1DC 2 points. Therefore, 7 days 2 points 14 points per week. Step 2. First, go to this programming tab and go to this programming challenges track and go to Kickstart for Absolute Beginner. There are 100s of very easy codes with solutions. Step 3. If you are interested in C programming, there are plenty of very easy programs are there. These programs are just 4 to 5 lines only. Each topic consists of just 15 programs that are very simple, and solutions also provided for all of us. Just see the topic one by one. There are 8 topics. Each topic contains 15 programs. 15 programs 2 points. 30 points. 30 points 8 topic. 240 per week. Totally 14 140 240. 394 points per week. And then remaining 6 points. You just do 3 programs of your interest randomly. Finally, you will easily achieve 400 points per week. If you are like this video, put a like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.